guys, what's up and welcome back. So I'm getting ready to clean my brushes and I thought why not bring you guys along with me so you can see how I do it. This is not a deep cleaning method whatsoever. This is just how I clean them quickly from week to week, and then I usually deep clean them like once a month, which is probably not good. I definitely should do it more often than that, but at least I'm doing it, you know. So this is my lifeline right here for keeping my brushes clean. This one is by Japanesque and it is a makeup brush cleanser in the rose water scent. Scent doesn't really matter. I just personally like the smell of rose water. It does something for me. I just really like it, and I like that it kind of lingers on your brushes. But if you don't like strong scents, I would not pick this up because it definitely leaves a strong scent on your brushes. But like I said, this one is by Japanesque and it's just one that you spray onto your brushes in between uses, and you can swirl it around on a napkin or a towel or whatever you have, and it's going to make it to where you can use the brush right like that, like instantly. It dries super quick. You don't have to leave them to dry overnight or anything like that. You can use it instantly. So to show you an example of how I would clean this, you guys know these are my absolute favorite brushes. I've got 5 or 6 of them, and even having that many, I still cannot keep one clean to save me. But luckily this brush cleaner makes it super easy for me, so I don't have to. All you have to do is take your brush, and I'm using a paper towel for video purposes, but you can absolutely use a towel or a wash rag, anything you can throw in your washer, or just make it your permanent brush rag. That's going to be perfectly good too. So you just take your bottle here and you're going to spray your brush one good time, right like that, and then you are just going to start swirling it onto the napkin, and you can watch all of the shadow come off, and it's going to look like your brush is going to be deformed for a minute. It's going to change the shape of it, but it's going to go right back to that shape, so you don't have to worry about it. So this is what the brush looks like now, and y'all seen the before, so it was definitely there's definitely a huge difference there, and I'm going to show you on a couple more brushes just so you can get an idea of how well this stuff works. So here's another brush, and this one is normally white on the tips, so I wanted to show you again with this one. So you are again just going to put your brush up here. This stuff feels kind of oily, so try to keep it off of the handle as much as you can because it feels gross. But once you put it on there, just again start swirling it onto your napkin, and you can watch it just magically come clean. It's gonna spill all of its dirty little secrets. So there you have that. That is a, again, 100% improvement, and you can go ahead and use this on your eye just like you never even touched it. It's gonna be good to go. So a lot of companies actually make this brush, this particular brush cleaner. This one is by Japanesque, and I just recently discovered this one, and I do like it quite a lot. The only problem that I have with it is that it's got a messed up thing, sprayer, I guess we'll call it. This thing's messed up, so if I'm not careful, I can spill it really easily. Product will spill out of this, but other than that, this stuff's lasted me for months, and I'm somebody that has to clean my brushes often because you guys know, not only do I have my YouTube channel where I do makeup all the time, but I also sell Unique, and I make a lot of videos for that too. So my brushes are always dirty, and I have to do my best to keep them clean so that I can stay productive. And I've tried a couple other brands too. I've tried the Sephora one, and I believe I've also tried the e.l.f. one. I'm not 100% on that, but I'm pretty sure that I have tried the e.l.f. one. It's been a while. It's been a while. Like I said, this one's lasted me for quite a while, so I haven't had to buy any for a bit. But yeah, that is how I clean my brushes in between washes, and I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you've never heard of the spray brush cleaner. That's what I'm calling it, just spray brush cleaner. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this helps somebody. So I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.